Hey, Kale. What have I got here?
A friend.
This is your friend? Okay, now tell me what that is.
Is my friend.
It's your friend? And what's your friend's name?
Mr. Bread.
What is it?
Mr. Bread.
Mr. Bread. Now, why is he your friend?
Because I like him.
Where's his face?
Right there. His eyes right there. And his cheeks right there. His mouth right there.
And what does your friend do?
He played.
He plays with you? Okay. Can I eat him?
No.
Please?
No.
Please?
No.
Why not?
Because he's my friend.
Kale, stop.
I can't eat him.
I can't eat him? But he's bread.
But he's my friend.
But he looks so good.
He's my friend.
Can I take a small bite out of him? Can I eat part of his face?
No. He's my friend. You can't eat him. Because he's my friend.
But what if he starts to go bad? Do you think we might need to throw him away?
But I don't want to. I don't want you to eat him.
But he's bread.
He's my friend.
You're gonna keep him forever? You're gonna hug on to him? Are you hugging him now?